must have been moved down before you can call him a man. And how many seas must a white dove sail before she sleeps in the sand? And how many times must a cannonball fly before they forever bend? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. How many years the mountain exists before it's washed to the sea? And how many years can some people exist before they're allowed to be free? And how many times can a man turn his head again that he just doesn't see? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. How many times can a man look up before he really sees the sky? And how many years can one person have before he can hear people cry? And how many deaths it takes till you know too many people have died? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. Bought the old Alpha at the op shop for $50.